In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spy on competitors using vidIQ legally. If you're looking to get a competitive edge on YouTube, vidIQ offers powerful tools to analyze your competitors and refine your strategy. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness this tool effectively. First, you'll want to head over to the vidIQ platform. If you haven't already, make sure you have an account set up, as you'll need it to access the full array of features. Once you're on the vidIQ dashboard, look for the section labeled More Tools. This is where you'll find the tools you need to keep an eye on your competitors. Next, click on the Competitors option. This section is specifically designed to help you evaluate and compare your channel against others in your niche. Here, you can start adding the channels you consider to be your main competition. Think about channels that target a similar audience, or those that consistently rank high in your category. Adding these competitors will allow vidIQ to track their performance and provide you with valuable insights. After you've added your desired competitors, scroll down a little and you'll find the Compare Performance section. This is where the magic happens. vidIQ offers you a wealth of information, such as the number of views, subscribers, public videos, average daily views, average subscribers per day, and average public videos per day for each competitor. This data is incredibly useful for understanding how well your competitors are doing and what strategies might be working for them. Using this information, you can start to identify trends and patterns. Are there certain types of content or specific days when your competitors see spikes in engagement? Understanding these elements can help you optimize your own content strategy. Perhaps you'll notice that a competitor consistently gains more subscribers after posting a particular type of video, which could inspire you to try a similar approach. It's crucial to remember that while vidIQ provides robust data, the key is to use it ethically and creatively. Rather than simply replicating what your competitors do, use these insights as a springboard to innovate and tailor your content to better serve your audience's needs and interests. And there you have it. By leveraging vidIQ's competitor analysis tools, you can gain valuable insights into your competition and enhance your own YouTube strategy. Remember, the ultimate goal is to create content that resonates with your audience and builds a loyal following. Good luck and happy analyzing.